Welcome back, you guys. Welcome to episode 35 of Minerware. In the previous episode, when we did drop to the ground, we went slow and steady without losing a single heart, but we still lost. Perhaps because of going a little bit too slow, and going slow and steady without losing a single heart could be tricky because you don't have enough time. Yeah, you won't have enough time left. And is that Iron Man? In Minecraft, that player looks so colorful. I like that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we are in Minerware by CubeCraft. We know the rule. Win the most microgames. Okay, answer question. Let's try to get this right this time. There are only 7 types of wood logs? I think so. I think I'll go with yes. No. One in the chamber. Okay. You think I have a sword here? Oh. Oh yeah, I forgot. There's more than one. There's more than one logs because Minecraft has updates. And I wonder when its next update will be. Avoid TNT. Here's a safe spot. Oh! I chose wisely. Success. Less is better. Okay. Only a few of us here. Wait, how is there more on that side? I thought I saw less here. Okay, half of the players won. Hang on. How is that half? Build a golem. There. Now we won another micro game. Everyone's just having a snowball fight. Dodge Anvils. Oh no. Hold on. How did that happen? I did not even see an anvil just hit me. Did I? Let's see how everyone else is doing. Okay. 4 players won. Hide under block. Okay, I did it. Especially I'm starting with the hot potato. Who wants it? Who wants it? Here. No, 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 no. Who wants it? Nobody wants it? Oh, great. Find the button. Oh, here it is. Gotta hurry and press it? Good. Success. Ignite the TNT. Good. I was actually standing right on top of it. And I got it. Perfect. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Success. Cook's request. What am I making? Raw beef. Oh, nice tables. Blue. They're blue. And now I must focus. I need to grab the supplies I need. Nope, that's not it. Here it is. Oh, wait. Hold on. Where'd it go? Now I have to hurry and cook it. There we go. Now I have to deliver. There! Just in time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Success! Okay, this is gonna be 4 in a row. Definitely 4 in a row. Perfect. Okay. I only see a few people here around me. So 4 of us won. They didn't start sneaking in time. King of the hill? No, no, no. Okay, it's the concrete background again. Ah, great. Oh, good thing I didn't fall off the map. Color floor. Or hang on, if it just said speed up, then oh, now the floor is white concrete instead of so now it's concrete instead of the glazed terracotta. That's what it usually looks like. Okay. Okay, that's it for me. Nowhere left to color. And actually, the floor is very colorful. I like how it's now concrete and not the terracotta. And it looks like this won't end until the floor is fully colored in. Let me just take a look here. Let's see how everyone else is doing. They're just... Okay, I don't think so. Oh, what? Tiny buildings. Pumpkin. And an airplane? Did I just see an airplane and some bats? Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more. Bye.